This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. Nestled in the valley below Mount Magazine, this charming country home offers privacy with easy access to Paris. Sitting on 2 acres plus with a workshop, this recently remodeled 3-bed 2-bath home with split floor plan offers 1,679 SFT plus new HVAC, new windows, a metal roof, new paint, new hardwood and LPV flooring, bullnose corners, wainscoting, butcher block counters, formal dining room, large bonus room, spacious laundry, new plumbing and electrical fixtures, stovetop filler, large pantry, covered front and rear porches, and more. Whether you seek a weekend retreat or a place to call home year-round, this country estate offers the solution. Embrace the allure of countryside living and make this exquisite property your own. Call for your private showing today. For more information